Hi, I'm Irina from 2DO2 and today I'll be talking about my assignment 2. So for the first question is for confirmed bookings, how many ended at a foreign country? So what I will do right is I will create a new sheet. Then I will copy over the embark and disembark, which is over here. Then I'll put it over like this. Then after that, they want the confirmed booking, so I will copy over whether it's cancelled or confirm. Yeah, then after that over here, because they want the number of confirmed bookings that ended at a foreign country, so firstly what I will do is I will filter this, which I will only want the blanks because the blanks are the one with the confirmed bookings while those with numbers are not confirmed. So these are with confirmed bookings. And after that, because I want to check whether they end up at a foreign country or not, so if column A equals to column B, if the data in column A equals to column B, it means that they didn't end up at a foreign country. But if it's different, meaning that they end up at a foreign country, which over here it will show whether it's true or false. So I put A3 equals to B3, which will show whether it's true or false. Then over here, I will get the data for everything. Then I will filter again this to just get those with confirmed data. And over here I will just filter those with false, because false is the one that they don't equal, and if they don't equal, it means that they landed up at a foreign country, which is this. Then now I will count the number of things here, which is 2310. So the answer for question 1 is 2310. And for part B, I'll be looking at the right side because the document is on the right side of my monitor. Yeah, then the second question is, based on the confirmed bookings regardless of outward and inward, find the most profitable route. So I'll reuse the same sheet. So to find the most profitable route, firstly I'll copy over the route here, and after that I will see whether it's cancelled, or I want to see whether it's cancelled or confirmed. So I will copy over this, and I also want to check the price and the number of people who booked for it. So over here, okay, so over here we want to check, okay, I'll add another column profit because I want to know the profit as well. So over here I will filter out whether it's confirmed or cancelled, which I will do the same thing. I will just want the blanks, which is the confirmed bookings. Then over here, to find the profit, right, what I will do is I'll take the price paid divided by the number of people on board. So I will take equals C3 divided by D3. So this is the profit for this, and after that I will put it down like this. So they want the most profitable one. So most profitable, I will filter from largest to smallest, which is 361622.9692. So this is the most profitable one, which is SOU. So this is the answer for number 2. Whereas in number 3, they want the same thing but the least profitable route this time. So what I will do is I will change the filter to smallest to largest instead, which is 98.0999125, which is SYD-BNE. So that's the answer for question 3 as well. And then next we'll go on to question 4, which is the top 5 routes regardless of it, and the greatest number of cancellations. So the first thing I will do, right, is I'll go back to this page, and what I will do is I will actually filter. So I want to filter this. So what I did was I actually filtered route by route. So I will do one by one, which is, for example, AKL-DXB. So this is what it shows me for DKL-DXB, and this is the number of cancelled bookings. So when I click the entire thing, the count over here shows me 3, but I have to minus 1 because of the heading, so the total count will be 2. Then next I will show you the one which is actually the answer. So one of the answers is actually SOU-SFO. So for example, SOU-SFO. So like this, right? So I will count the number of cancelled, which is 77. But because of the heading, I'll minus 1. So SOU-SFO, the number of cancelled is actually 76. I won't be doing this for all the routes because it'll be too long and you'll exceed the video limit for the recording. So this was how I did it. And after that, I did this prior to recording this, so I actually tabulated all the cancelled bookings for everything, and I came up with the top 5, which is SOU SFO at 76, SOU SOU at 245, SOU SYD at 94, SYD SIN at 68, and SYD SOU at 87. So what I did here was I also tabulated the total number of revenue loss for each of the top 5. And I put it on this chart is because I want to generate the label, which is for, the top 5, the revenues here, so answer for 4B. And for question 5 is to put it in a labeled chart. So what I did, I'll redo this. So I highlighted the data over here and I inserted a recommended chart, which is this. And after this, I changed the chart title to top 5 routes and number of cancellations. So since it's a fully labeled diagram, I also right click the bar to add the data labels like this. So this is for the number of cancellations. Whereas for the total revenue loss, I did the same thing. I highlighted this and I inserted recommended charts. So over here. So this is the, I'll change the chart title also to top 5 routes total revenue loss, over here. Then I will add the data label also. So this is for question 5A and 5B. And then next we'll go on to the last one, which is question 6. So for question 6 over here, I will disable the filter first. So for question 6, they want recommend and explain which 2 profitable routes with the ship endurance of only 32 days. So what I do is I'll create a new sheet over here and I will copy over the route, which is what they want, and also the duration, the endurance of the ship itself, which is this. And then also because they want confirmed bookings, so I will also transfer over the column of cancel and confirm bookings to check whether it's cancelled or confirmed, and also the price and the number of people. Okay, so I'll be working on this document over here, and I also want to know the profit, so I will insert profit as well. Okay, so what I'll do here first is I want to filter whether it's cancelled or confirmed, which is the same thing over here. So I will only select the blanks since it is blanks only mean the confirmed bookings. So these are all the confirmed bookings, and after that I want to do the profit also. So as well I will do equals D3 divided by E3. So this is the profit for all the confirmed bookings. Okay, and because profit, they want it most profitable route, so I will change it to largest to smallest, which is this. And I also want to filter it to be less than 32 days because that's the endurance of the ship. So over here I will unselect those that are above 32, in which the data given here, the max for the 30 plus to be below 32 is actually 30. So I will do until 30. Then over here, because I want to rank which is the most profitable with like the best endurance so that the ship can last longer, so I will filter this to also go largest to smallest. So from over here, what I derived was the route for SIN SOU is actually the best, and with this, so the first one will be SIN SOU, the profit of 913.798942. And the second one, since all these are the same route, so I will do another route, which is the second best route is AKL SIN, which is at 29 days of endurance, and the price, the profit is 4813.843314. So those are the 2 profitable routes based on the data given over here. The evidence over here in the video and the document may be a bit different because I figured out a shortcut through halfway through the process. Thank you.